Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek. I don't know why I'm excited for. I didn't even get no freaking weekend. So it's like Ibotta's been really doing me dirty lately. I'm not even going front. You know, they got my app all funky wonky and they locked me out of my accounts. Luckily, they bailed me out of jail. All right, that's what they did. They bailed me out. But my app is still wonky, okay? All the offers I've done for like the last week and a half, maybe even two, are locked clipped. And so I'm not working with a whole lot today, which is okay because I don't even got a midweek. So it is what it is. As far as today, did I say subscribe? I didn't even say subscribe, did I? I didn't. Listen. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. Let me see some red hearts. When I was younger, y'all, I never wore bright colors. Never. Black was my color of choice all the time. Earth tones, browns, grays, that was me. But now I feel like as I've gotten older, I've really grown to like bright colors. So I was at the gym this morning. Red. Was it yesterday? I had on pink, orange. I love me some brown. I don't know. I just think it looks good on my complexion. But don't get me wrong. I still some black as well. I could wear black every day. But listen, definitely subscribe. Hit the like button. Support your girl. Hype your girl up. So as far as, like I said, I don't have nothing to work with today. Fetchtopia started today. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not feeling too impressed. I really hope that things do get better. I do have a spend 100, get back 20 for Target. And I figured it's on my account, which I almost never use. And so I said, let me see if I can make something work with that between Fetch and aisle offers and see if I can actually get some stuff that I actually want or need. And so that's kind of what my goal is as far as that. I do have some deals for Walmart, y'all, but I don't have a lot at all. Like, it's like if you want to take a break from couponing, this is the time to do it. Like, yeah. And I almost took a break. Like, I almost said, I'll just wait till the weekend and see if something pops off. But I said, we could do something. And so what else I want to add? That's basically it. Some of you guys are asking me, am I still doing Be Frugal? I am still doing Be Frugal. I know they're changing their conversion May 1st. I did cash out or at least convert. Well, no, I converted and I cashed out. Let me stop. But I wanted to at least convert because on May 1st, the conversion is going to change. And so I'm hoping that the receipts that I do today will process in time so I can at least convert my points over. So that I get more for them now versus waiting until the 1st. But I am still using Be Frugal. If the deals are still good, I mean, even if the deals were kind of more like closer to what we get from the other sister apps, I would still use it, y'all. I mean, I'm gonna still use it. I'm just not gonna keep money in there because there would be no point unless, of course, I gotta wait. If I gotta wait, I don't have a choice. It's just gonna sit there until my 15 days is up. And so with that being said, though, because I talk, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. I'm also gonna do Target as well. Just gonna be voiceover because I don't have time today. I don't have the time. And so with that being said, without further ado, let's go and get these deals. All right, y'all. So this first deal, I'm so excited that my store finally carries the Avo Fresco. They are priced at $4.98 for this. We're grabbing 2 of them, so we'll pay $9.96. We'll get back a buy one get one free offer on aisle, and then I also got back $3.87 from Merryfield, bringing them down to only 55 cents each. Next up is the Harkins candy bar. I'm surprised that they still carry these. I haven't seen these in forever, but I haven't really had to look for them. So the price is $2.97. Only one of my stores still carries them. We have a free offer on Ibotta with a limit of 5. I was hoping that the offer would still be available for Walmart Rewards by the time I got there, but it wasn't. And so yeah, I definitely grabbed 5. Right, so the Tuesday any item this week was for
50 cents off of chips. I went ahead and grabbed a bag of the chips here for 48 cents. Got back 50 cents, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. And of course, we're grabbing the Weathers Originals again. I'm priced at $2.08. For this, I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. I ended up paying $8.32, getting back $8 on Easybucks and 80 cents on Checkout 51, making all 4 a 48-cent moneymaker. I've just been using these if I'm really close to cashing out, and so definitely is not a bad deal. So next up is the Pleasy hydration drink. It's priced at $2.08. You're gonna grab one of them. We have a free offer for WeStock, and then we also have 75 cents back on Ibotta, making this a 75-cent money. This is also a pretty decent deal as well on the light. They are priced at $1.98, and we have $1 back on Ibotta with a limit of 2. All right, so I've been sitting on this deal trying to decide if I want to do it or not. It's a rebate for the Eggland's Best Eggs and the mayo. You have to buy 2 specific flavors, and so the eggs are priced at this store at $4.46, and the mayo is $3.98. The total for both is $8.44. We have a $6 rebate when you buy them both, and then we have $2 back on Fetch for the mayo, bringing them down to 22 cents each. All right, so this deal here on the Best Food, it's on rollback for $4.97. If you're grabbing the dipping sauce, this is a combo offer. So if you grab the mayo at $4.97, I did use a $2 hang tag, which will bring it down to $2.97, and then you'll get back $2 on Fetch, would basically make this only 97 cents. So this deal here is on the Beech Nut Fruit Veggie Packs. Our pouches, rather, they're priced at $1.28. Now for this, we have an offer on Fetch, buy 6, get back 2. We also have this $2 OTC as well. It does work on one, and so what I did is I did 3 different transactions. I was able to do them all in self-checkout at the same register, which is really cool because normally you have to change your register because of the OTC. And so I did 2 transactions of 2 at $1.28. I used a $2 OTC. It brought the total down to 56 cents. I did that 3 times, which made the out-of-pocket $1.68. I got back $2 on Fetch, making them all a 32-cent moneymaker. I hope that made sense. Finally found a store that carries the beech nut beef. It's priced at $2.58, and so for this I grabbed 3 of them. The total comes to $7.74. I did use a $2 OTC. I did say that it does work for 1, but I wanted to really get the most out of this offer, so that's why I got 3. So the total is $5.74 after OTC. I got back $2 for each on Fetch, plus 50 cents for each on Ibotta, making all 3 $8.76 moneymaker. So next up is the Beech Nut Oaty Bites. These are priced at $3.98 for the 7 count. Now for this, I did use a $1.75 OTC. I paid $2.23, getting back $2 on Fetch, and then $1.25 on Merryfield, making it $1.02 moneymaker. Now I did do 3 separate transactions because the limit on Fetch is 3. Merryfield, they had a bonus that was redeem 5 offers, get back $2, and so this definitely helped out with that. Are you guys beech nut out? Beech nutted out. Look, this is the last deal that I did on the beech nut puffies. They're priced at $2.48. I grabbed 1. Again, I used a $1.75 OTC. That is per email address, y'all. So I got like 8. So whenever we get an OTC and I can do it up to 8, I do it 8. And so that brought the total, so that is going to be the total down to 73 cents, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. And there's also a free offer on Social Nature for $2.48 as well, making this a $2.50 money. So this popped up on the sister apps again, as well as Checkout 51. So I grabbed 1 at $2.98, submitted that to Swagbucks first, and then Checkout 51, making this a $1.02 money. All right, so we're grabbing these Snuggle Scent Boosters priced at $5.97. For this, we are getting back $1.50 on either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards. There's $2 on Fetch for spending 5, $2 on Swagbucks, and then I got $1 on Checkout 51 plus a 51-cent bonus, making this a $1.04 money. If you're still watching, definitely don't forget to smash the like button. This is the last deal here at Walmart on the VH Essentials. It's priced at $6.97 for the cream. So for this, I grabbed 4 of them. The total is going to come to $27.88. I had an offer on Fetch. One was $4 back when you buy a limit of 3, and then one was spend 7, get back 3, limit of 3. So I got back $21 from Fetch. I did have to correct my receipt 2 or 3 times, but it finally went through. And then a total of $12.64 from Be Frugal. Now I went ahead and tried 4 on one receipt. We're going to see how it works out. If it works out great, it's going to make this a $5.76 money. All right, so we're finally at Target. Now I am working with a spin 100, get back $20 in Target Circle rewards. And so I'm going to stack as many deals as I can. This first one here is on the Dove serum. It's priced at $7.49 online, so you do have to price match the online price. 3 of them is going to come to $22.47. We have a $2.50 digital. That'll bring the total down to $19.97. We'll get back $4 for each of them. Plus, we'll get back a spend 25, get back 7 on Fetch, making them only 32 cents each. The Glade Room freshener, these are priced at $3.19. Now for this, we do have a $2 digital that you could use. I decided to use $2 on checkout 51 as well as Swagbucks, making us an 81-cent money. So we're going to grab the 7th generation dishwashing detergent. It's priced at $8.49, and for this we're going to get back $4.60 on Fetch Reward, making it $3.89. Now we do have a spend 25, get back $4, so I'll be grabbing 2 of these. Also going to be grabbing 2 of the disinfective spray as well. They are $4.99, and they're buy one get one 20% off, so basically both at $4.49. Now grabbing 2 of each, the total is going to come to $25.96. I'll get back $19.20 total from Fetch, making them $169 each. And of course, I have to grab a bag of the Wild Chips. It's just a good filler item when I have a threshold offer that I'm working with, and so I'm grabbing the 4-pack at $8.99. I do have a referral offer, making this free for me, but if you haven't did this deal yet, the offer for you is $3.50 off. Now this offer, it somehow glitched one of my other receipts processed, I don't know, and it picked up another offer for $7.99. I'm not sure what it was for, but basically it made the one bag a $7.99 moneymaker. Super excited about the deal here on the Kodiak protein. It's on the pancake mix or the waffles. They're on sale this week for $5.29, which is already a great deal. And then we're going to be getting back $4 on Fetch Reward. Now I do also have an offer for 35 cents on Ibotta as well, making it 94 cents. All right, so the Best Food dipping sauce. It's priced at $4.69. We do have a $2 digital. That's going to bring that total down to $2.69. You'll get back $2 on Fetch Reward, making this only 69 cents. I don't know why this deal is like the most exciting deal for me. I feel like we rarely get deals on cheese, and so this deal is on the Sargento. It's priced on sale for $2.69. For this, I'm grabbing 2 of them. I'll end up paying $5.38, but getting back 2 different offers on Fetch. One is a threshold at $175. The other one is $125 times 2. I'm bringing them down to only 56 cents. I always get so geeked when I actually get offers for Ripple Street. And so this deal here is on the Lunchable Snackables. For this, there's 2 different ones. They're priced at $2.99. You'll get that back through Ripple Street, making this absolutely free. So this deal here actually worked out a little bit better than I expected. I got a text saying that I was getting back $5 for a purchase that I didn't make. And that when I bought the next 4, they would be free, which I already expected. I just didn't expect the 5. So I grabbed a total of 4 of these. They're priced at $2.98. That total is going to come to $11.96. You'll get that back through aisle, making it absolutely free. Now for me, it was a $5 moneymaker, which is really big. Last but not least is on the Oath protein drink. It's priced at $2.99. I found this on the sporting goods aisle at my Target. We have a free offer on the aisle. And so yeah, that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. This was a doozy. So this is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out pretty good. I didn't have any major issues. I think as far as Fetchtopia, the only thing was the dial. I did that at Bonds, and I was trying to do it at Walgreens, but Walgreens was completely cleared out. I went to 2 different stores, and I just assumed that the dial was perhaps glitching. That's why they didn't have any. I don't know. And so I tried it at Bonds. I tried it with those. Didn't work. I just got back, I think it was $4 when you spent $7. And for that, I did use the dial coupons that I got the very first time. I think I got those from Target, where the barcode was super tiny. The cashier was super awesome and put them through for me. And so even though I didn't get back the extra $6, well, it's still in review. I don't think it's going to go through. But even if I don't get back the extra $6, it still makes them like $1.12 or something like that each. Overall, this is a nice moneymaker haul anyway, so I'm definitely going to keep them anyways, but of course I would love if it does go through for me. I did have to correct the receipt for the VH Essentials like 2 or 3 times for it to finally take, I think it was the threshold one that wasn't going through. And so, yeah, but it did finally work out for me. But I'm gonna do a giveaway. Look what I found. They were just sitting on the shelf. I guess the person, the little worker bee was just like, oh, no, I'm good. I'm going on break. And I was like, what? For me? But I me? But I me? So I'm gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna pick like 5 winners and give away 3 per winner. And so, yeah, because I mean, I have some from the last time. And so these are buy one, get one frees on the lower sugar, which I really, really like. They don't expire till next year. Expire till our 50th birthday. Focus, man. There it goes. And so definitely be a subscriber. Hype the video up. Like the video. And comment. Ooh, comment a soccer ball. And that'll enter you in the giveaway. And then, yeah. So that's what we'll do. 5 winners, 3 coupons. Now, let me show you. I have a ton of receipts. A ton of receipts between Walmart, Target, Sprouts, and Dollar Tree. Everything you see here retails $233.32. I had $23.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $209.82. Getting back a total of $101.07 from Fetch. And I know the conversion is probably a lot less than that. You do the conversion. I'm just going to say it's 103.07. Aisles is $36.41. Ibotta $27.70. Target, I did get back $20 in Circle Cash. Merryfield is $16.01. Be Frugal $12.64. Swagbucks is $12. Checkout 51 $6.31. Ripple Street $5.98. Social Nature $2.48. We stock was $2.08. Easy Bucks $2. Last but not least was Walmart Rewards at $1.50. We're getting back a total of $246.18. It's going to make everything that you see here free, plus a $36.36 moneymaker, which is really awesome. With that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are enjoying Fetchtopia this go around. If there's some awesome deals that you are getting, definitely drop them in the comments so that we all can see what you're doing. With that being said, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, whenever you're watching and wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.